Hello everyone, it's me Daniel. Today we are going to be making all the Among Us in emergency meeting. Let's go. Right now we got to draw the emergency meeting. So where is it? Oh yes. There we go. Now we gotta draw the button. Right, we gotta draw the button around. And this. Emma. Emergency meeting. Emergency meeting. Alright. Next we gotta do the red crewmate. Alright, then I gotta draw the head. Emergency meeting. Alright, now we're gonna draw all the Among Us's. Wait, no, not this one. And then we got to do the. Wait a minute. We gotta draw these Among Us's right here. And then we gotta draw the pack. Among Us's. And then we do that. Okay. Now we gotta draw the Among Us eyes here. And then we're going to color it. And then we'll draw the knife. Like. There we go. And there we go. There is our Among Us stuff. We just have to add some of the stuff they have, and now we're done. Yeah. Right, so this guy will get a flower. Alright. And then we will need a hat on here. Do some of the lines. And then we will do, let's say, a baby Among Us with the head. Let's give this guy a baby Among Us. Wait a minute. How old are you? Oh yeah. A baby Among Us. And then we'll give this guy a dog. These dogs are normally only one-eyed. So... And then we'll do... The dogs normally have like the mouth here. And then we'll do their paws. And then we'll do their feet. And then we'll do the dog paw. It's kind of a big dog. And this guy, not his head, so it'll be like a question mark. It's like, what? Okay. So do the same with this guy. No. Let's do. Alright, so let's do. What should we do on him? Oh yes. Top hat. What do you need to color in? Oh my goodness. Wait a minute. Alright. Then we need to color the top hat in with our trusty black. And then we will need for these two guys, that guy's the imposter. So let's give this guy a baby Among Us again too. And let's have for this guy. A knife too, because that's too important. And there we go. There is our Among Us emergency meeting. I am going to start coloring it, and then we're done. Alright. So first of all, we need the red. Because there's like two imposters there. We'll do some blood. Should say that they're really imposters. And kill people. Alright, then we need red for this guy. Because he's red and the emergency meeting button's red. Good. Well, actually, let's leave it like that. Let's get dark blue, light blue, and then that's it. Those guys don't have eyes. Alright. 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 We need red. Only red, guys. Right, red. Right. Oh, that's red. This guy right there will be dark. Which means the baby too. And this guy up here will be green. And this guy, purple. Alright, and we're gonna be a baby. It's okay if you get a muddle, guys. Alright. Draw back here. And then, wait a minute, oh no, I forgot. We need this again. For the baby on the head. Alright. And that guy right there, he will be yellow. Alright. Oh my goodness, it's really rainy outside. Oh, never mind, don't worry about that. Right. Next, done that hat. Next, we need pink. For her. So yellow and pink. Alright. And then we need grey. Yeah. Grey for this guy. But then we will need, oh wait, we need to color the dog. So this guy here will be light blue. And his dog will be light blue too. Right. And then we need black. That's it now. Wait. And then we need red. Alright. Next we need yellow again. What the emergency? And then this guy will be dark green. Not very dark green, about like this top. Yeah. Alright, and there we go. Almost done, we just need to do a table and there we go. Okay. Right. Emergency meeting table. It's gonna take a while for me to finish. Oh. Fill in the spaces that are not colored. And we're done. It just gotta work. And then we're done. Daddy, don't do it now. Come on. Ah. Okay, thank you for joining me. I hope I see you again. Bye.